Today I'm gonna show you how to generate the planner with custom daily and monthly. Choose the date first. Decide your pretty planner. Now choose your apps link. We got 3 apps link and 1 custom. 12 custom apps link for you. We got a lot here. Customize your index. Now we are on monthly page. Scroll to the bottom and you will see January and click on it. And you will start to pick the custom month. And our pretty weekly. Now we are on daily page. We got 1 hour and half hour. Scroll to the bottom and you will see custom hour and set your starting hour AM or PM. And select your hour range. So on here I choose the half hour. And I set 30 minutes hour range. Choose the starting day of the week. If you Android, choose Google, but iOS choose Apple. Time to generate. After generate, click download. Just wait for the download. After download, open it. Click share icon on the top. Click open in GoodNotes. Import as new document. Ta-da! Well done! The custom apps that I just said so pretty. And custom monthly start from July. Custom hour start from 2 p.m. and half hour. Okay, now you can enjoy your planner. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye!